Before any payment can go out, the business needs an approval workflow. This decides who must sign off on a voucher, and in what order, so money never leaves without the right people approving it. All of this lives under Settings. We open the menu in the top right corner, beside our name, and choose Settings. Settings has several tabs. We open the Approval Workflow tab. This is where approval rules are built. We click Create Workflow to begin. First we name the workflow, so the team recognizes it later. We will call this one Standard Voucher Approval. Next, the entity type. This workflow governs vouchers, the payment documents, so we choose voucher. The minimum and maximum amount let you apply different rules to different sums. For example, only large payments need a second approver. We leave both empty, so every voucher follows this workflow. These three switches are the heart of the control. Active turns the workflow on. Require signature means an approver must apply their signature. Requires PIN means they must enter their secret PIN. We keep all three on for maximum security. Now the approval levels. The level is a stage of sign-off. Level 1 is the first reviewer. We name it Manager Review. We assign the approver for this level, the manager, Bola Adeyemi. Only staff who already have a user account can be chosen, which is why we created their logins earlier. Larger or sensitive payments often need a second pair of eyes, so we add a second level. We name Level 2 Final Approval, and assign our approver, Turn Below. A voucher will only be fully approved once it clears both levels in turn. Finally, the payment team. These are the people who actually release the money once a voucher is fully approved. They are notified automatically. We assign our finance officer, Eda Okeke. With the levels, approvers, and payment team in place, we save the workflow. The workflow is now active and listed here. Every voucher will now route through Manager Review, then Final Approval. There is one more piece. Each approver needs a secret PIN and a safe signature. That is how the system proves it was really them who approved. These live in the personal profile, which we reach from that same top right menu, this time choosing Profile. First, the approval PIN. This is a 4-digit code, kept private. Note it can only be set once, so it is chosen carefully. We enter it twice to confirm. The PIN is set. Now we can save a signature. Without a PIN, the signature option stays locked, which is why the PIN comes first. We draw the signature right here in the box. On a phone or tablet you would simply sign with your finger. Then we re-enter the PIN, which is used to securely encrypt and store the signature. The signature is saved. The approval setup is now complete. The workflow, the approvers, the payment team, and the security PIN and signature are all in place. Your business is now ready to process vouchers. In the next video we will create a payment voucher and walk it through this approval workflow from start to finish.